Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. Today I want to present you a website that I have developed for traders and investors. The website helps people to get some technical analysis done by AI, but it's also capable of doing a project check, and this is what we will discover today. So let's see the website. We click on Analyze Now over here on the top. That's gonna bring us to the page where we can check a project. So we click on the project option and here it is called investment. We come on the bottom and we have here a few options to fill. We have a list of recommendations. Using trading view charts would be the best option. Picture must be clear, candles must have clear size, and few others details. Now we can see here that we can upload an image. The image we will upload is actually a chart from TradingView as mentioned. And we have two options. We have the project check and the take profit. Today we will deep dive into the project check. So here it says the choice offers project details from a technical and data perspective. It helps you assess whether investing is worthwhile considering a specific exit time frame. So let's choose the coin. I like Gala this time, so click on it. It is selected. Which period are you targeting? I will take profit within 2 years, let's say. Followers, Reddit, Twitter, Telegram. Well, let's see. We have here we have here the links, so we have like shortcuts. We can go there and check it. Twitter. 481, let's say 482, yeah, 482. Okay, Reddit, do we have a Reddit? Yeah, do we have? It says 3.2 members, 3200. Telegram, do we have a Telegram? Yeah, we do have a Telegram. 15, actually let me copy here. I can copy it. Telegram online 739. What else? Discord, do we have Discord? Reddit, I think we don't have Discord, so that's all the data we can put here. And now we simply click on Analyze Now. Once we click on that, we see that we didn't upload a picture, so let's do that. Gala, USDT, I think this Binance works the best. Let's see actually weekly time frame, why not? Believing is better. I think that's good. Let's download the image. Upload, open, and let's see what we have right now. Good, there is there. Let's analyze it. Now let's wait. The average time, waiting time is around 30-40 seconds. So if you are interested in what is this actually analyzing, it's checking the chart itself, the data from the chart in combination with something that we have in our database, plus the data that we get from coin market cap about the volume, about the market cap, price, so on and so forth. I think it's done. And here we have our result. Let's see, trend. Looking at the weekly chart, Gala appears to have experienced a significant downtrend initially, followed by periods of consolidation and recent uptick. The price seems to be hovering around the moving average, which could be acting as a dynamic support or resistance level. Volatility. There have been episodes of high volatility as indicated by the length to the price candles wicks, particularly around the spikes. The recent few candles shows less volatility, suggesting a period of consolidation. Trading volume. There seems to be a fluctuation in the trading volume, with some spikes correlating with the significant price moves. There is a visible spike in volume coinciding with a recent price increase, indicating heightened interest at the price level. Support and resistance levels. Previously established support could be around the lowest point before price rises, while resistance might be found at the peak of any upward moves. An immediate resistance level appears to be around 0.06, with support at approximately 0.03. Moving average. The price is currently at the moving average, which could act as a possible support or resistance. If the price stays above the moving average, it could indicate a bullish trend, while a consistent price below might suggest a bearish momentum. Relative Strength Index. The RSI is hovering around the fifth mark, indicating a neutral sentiment. Values above 70 indicates overbought conditions and below indicates oversold conditions. Currently, there is no clear signal from the RSI. Project analysis. Gala's rank is 65 out of probably 10,000, which is relatively strong in the overall market. With a coin market cap of 1.350096348, it has a reasonable market size, which could impart some stability relative to smaller market cap coins. With a circulating supply close to the total supply, most of the tokens are already in circulation, which could limit inflationary pressure from new tokens entering in the market. Social following. A strong following on social media platform like Twitter can indicate a robust and engaged community, which is positive for long-term project viability. Risk assessment. The risk factor for investing in Gala in the short to mid-term including market volatility, regulatory changes and market sentiment swings. The high social media engagement could indicate dedicated community support, but doesn't guarantee market performance. Investment potential. Given the current market condition and the project's strong position with the cryptocurrency market, Gala could have investment potential if the broader market remains favorable and the project continues to develop and maintain community support. However, due to the inherent volatility in the cryptocurrency market, there is considerable risk involved, and any investment should be made in alignment with the individual risk tolerance and the investment goals. Final thought, give the aim to exit within the next 2 years. It is crucial to monitoring ongoing project development, fundamental events and broader market trends closely. An investor should be prepared for a significant price swing and have a clear risk management strategy in place. And here we have a score of this coin. The cryptocurrency excels in various aspects and has exceptional qualities, and we can have even more data. We can click on this and we have a score of 6 for accessibility index, token distribution ratio 9.9 as was mentioned by the AI. Popularity rank and liquidity score, and we have here risk. It says here that it's low based on the data we have, and the reward would be decent, and the total score would be around 7.7. And that was all for Gala. So thank you for following me until this point. Ladies, gentlemen, I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.